Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do a weekly analysis of Nifty index, and we did last week as well, and probably we are doing it for the past couple of weeks, and this is the third week. So we are going to do the analysis of Nifty index this week as well, and see how Nifty might unfold itself during this week. Let's go to the higher time frame first, which is the monthly. As you can see here, it's in a very tight range here. You see, it's in a very tight range, and we are expecting it to continue again within this range itself. So what we are looking for is it market tried to come down here, but again it got rejected. Okay, that's what we are seeing on the monthly time frame, and on weekly it's very clearly visible. You can see this week here, okay, clear case of rejection from the lower prices. So obviously from the bulls perspective, they would be looking for a bull bar this week. Okay, that's their objective. As do you remember, we discussed about the objectives of bulls and bears. So the first objective of the bulls is to print a green bar here this week. Okay, so that would be their objective, and of course the bears objective would be the opposite. They want to take this low out. Okay, that's what they'll be looking for. They tried once and they couldn't really sustain those lower prices here. The bulls came back and then rejected those lower prices, so they would be looking for bring the market down again, trying these lows and making the bulls accept those lower prices. That's what the bears objective would be. If not take out the low of this, they want to at least close the week around these levels here. Okay, so that's what they'll be looking at. Let me just clear off all the drawings here, and if you go to daily, you can see here the market is trying to go up, and we are already seeing some sort of rejections. Okay, so the bears are stepping in already. You can see this you can see this rejection here, right? So on a weekly we are seeing rejection at the bottom, and on a daily we are seeing rejection at the top. So what does that mean? It means that the price is in a very tight range as we expected, and we got to know on the monthly time frame, right? We could see here how the price is in a very tight range, and that's what these things are representing. There is a rejection from the lower prices on a weekly chart, and there is rejection from the higher prices on a daily chart. So from bears perspective, what they are looking for is, they are able to say that, okay, we are able to print lower highs. Okay, maybe not a clear lower lows. I mean, they printed twice, but this time they couldn't. So but they are able to print lower highs, so they would be kind of satisfied with that. And if you draw a trend line joining these lower highs, something like this, so you can see this would be the area of interest again. We used to mark these areas earlier as well, and it really well. We had marked this as the area of interest for us to sell, and price came down from that level. So this time as well, this is the area of interest, and it depends. As I said, the price can come down right away from this point. It may not go up to this point, or it may go up to this point and then get rejected. So we should be, again, as I said, kind of dynamic, because the market is behaving in a very volatile fashion, so we should adapt ourselves to that kind of volatility and trade. If you are not comfortable with this kind of volatility, it's best you stay away from speculation, at least for the next 1 or 2 weeks maybe. Okay, and the election results is also coming out, so the market is going to be volatile. It's best you get used to this and then manage your risk. That's all. Apart from there's nothing major that you have to do. You have to adjust your risk according to the volatility. So from base perspective, this is what they are looking at, and they'll be looking, they have to defend these levels. That's their major objective, I would say, for the bears. And for the bulls, obviously, to take out these highs and take higher. So here it's very important how the market behaves. So there has been some rejection here. For the initial objective or a minor objective of the bears would be to defend this high. Okay, if they manage to defend this high and bring the prices lower, the price can turn from this point itself. I'm not saying it's going to take out the lows and go like this. It might take some time. At least these lows will be tested, and then see what the price does around these levels, and then decide whether to come down or go up again. So that's what I'm expecting. So you should be ready for that from the bears perspective and the bulls perspective. If all you have to do is, if bears successfully managed to defend these highs and start rejecting, if you see some sort of clear rejections at these levels, then you can go short, okay, and expect these lows to be tested. If for the bulls, if they gap up and go up to this level, then obviously around this level is what we are looking for short trades, and we can get good short trades around this area, because I'm not expecting the price to go like this from this point. It's kind of difficult considering the market structure. So I'm definitely looking at this area here as a good sell opportunity. Okay, this area here as a good sell opportunity, and also you can see it matches well with the previous highs as well, the swing high. Let's see. So that is the area I'll be looking for selling, and also I'm ready to sell in case if bears clearly show that they are able to successfully defend this previous boss high, then I'll be looking for selling opportunity as well. If not, this is the best area to sell, and if bulls show some real strength and cross these highs, then obviously we can look for some buying opportunities on intraday trading. Okay, so that's what my view is, guys. I hope this video helps. If you haven't joined the Telegram channel, please do so. It's free to subscribe, and the description is in the Telegram link is in the description box. Go through that and share with your friends if you like this video, and subscribe if you haven't done it. And again, I will try to post some more videos, some learning videos, which could be really helpful for you in future as well. So thank you guys, see you soon.